Yo, what's up, day and night gang? It's your boy AM coming to you with an AMPM unboxing video. This is part of our 12 Days of Vlogmas, and so for this unboxing video, we're gonna be checking out this, the Legend of Zelda Game & Watch. This is the colored screen edition. I'll be opening this up and showing you the cool stuff that's inside. And because it's Vlogmas, I also will be giving you a review afterwards, along with what my thoughts are on this very cool unboxing for AMPM's 12 Days of Vlogmas. See you in a bit. Alright, I got my handy dandy knife to open up anything that stands in our way. And lucky for y'all, we have this. This is the Game & Watch Legend of Zelda color screen. I don't know what you call it, a handheld? Yeah, so this is probably one of the best Christmas presents you can pick up for this 2021 year. What's really awesome about it, it has the original Legend of Zelda on the Nintendo Entertainment System, as well as the sequel, Zelda 2, the Adventure of Link, and it also got the Game Boy, the Legend of Zelda Link's Awakening, which is really awesome. I beat this game, I never beat this one, but I played this one, and this one's just as good as like all the classic ones. And it comes with a playtime clock, as well as a timer. And then you also got this Game & Watch version of a Link game. But here's the front of the box. You have it in the design of Zelda. Here's little mountain cliffs and stuff. And you have a picture of what it looks like inside. E for everyone. The sign Nintendo. We look at the back already. It says Game & Watch color screen. I have one of these already for the Mario edition, but it doesn't come with as many games as this one does. It only comes with the original Mario and then the Mario on the Nintendo Entertainment System, the NES, and then the clock, and then the Game & Watch version of it. It'd be nice if it had Mario too. But what we'll do is we'll just open this up. So right now there's like a little plastic shrink wrap on it. So we'll just cut right into it and crack this open and check out what's inside. Awesome. Pull that out. Woo, look at that. It's all empty. Ooh, there's something else in there. What is this? Oh, okay. So what do we have here? My Nintendo Club. Okay, cool. And then here we have an instruction manual. We don't need to read that. We're gamers. We automatically know how to use all of this stuff. And then right here we have the final product. The packaging is pretty nice. You have like a little Triforce right here on the front. It's all black, and then in the back there's like a little stand for it too, which is pretty cool. I didn't know that this was on the original one. So that's pretty nice. Let me see. How does this go? How does this go? Oh, okay, I see how it does. So go like that, and then set it up like this. Cool. Oh, it's green. That's so dope. Look at that. You have the A, B, start, little D-pad here. Fun fact that the D-pad that they originally made has a patent on it. And when you get other controllers not made by Nintendo, their D-pad is pretty terrible. So they had to figure out like an alternative to make a D-pad. But this one is the best one you can get because it's made by Nintendo. We have a nope, that's not it. A USB-C here, the power button, and then we have the game timer and pause and set. So I'll just turn it on and check it out. Oh, it's so cool! Look at that! You have little Zelda in the front. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome! Look at that. That is so cool. So let's press the time. Oh, we have the Triforce on there. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. We're just playing the game. It's pretty loud though. Then you have different versions of it, which is cool. Batteries are kind of like halfway through. That's pretty awesome. Let's just check out the original Zelda. Oh my gosh, you can hear it. That's so dope. Where's the speaker? Oh, the speaker's right here. Let's go! Oh my gosh. In the original Zelda cartridge, they had like a little watch battery that was in there, and that was to make sure it saved the save state of your game. And then once that died, you had to open your cartridge up and replace it. But luckily for us, this is USB-C, so I either just plug it in, and I'm pretty sure there's like a memory card built into it, so then your save states can be saved. But that's pretty awesome. You can pick whatever you want. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's so crazy. Oh, I love this game. It's probably one of my favorite games. They actually remade this probably about 3 years ago with like kind of claymation animation, which is really, really awesome. But this is the OG Game Boy version of it, so it's pretty cool. The claymation, I didn't have an opportunity to play it, but I would like to. I just know that the graphics, because they're like redone, there's been some issues with like the loading screen, so it's a little bit slower to play that than this one is. But yeah. Oh, so awesome. Then you go back to the time. Yeah, I don't like that clicking sound. I need to change that. Let's see what the time is right now. What do we have? It's 8:05, so we'll set this. Change this to 8 and 5. There we go. Turn that down. That's so cool. Look at that. We have it set. And then it just goes right back into your display case. And then you just stand it up. Oh, I dropped it. Too funny. Actually, this display case does not really work very well. Maybe in the back I have it not the way it's supposed to be. Maybe I have to just feed it a little bit more, and then it stays stronger. There we go. See that? Now it sticks. Yeah, I won't be using that though. And then I bet you in here we have our little cable to charge it. These Nintendo USB-C cables are actually pretty nice. They have like the Nintendo branding on it, as you can see right there, and really thick, really nice, really designed very well. Like, it's just really thick cable, and you can like do a lot to it and it won't break. So the lifespan of this thing will actually last quite a bit. But yeah, that's the Game & Watch Zelda edition, which is pretty awesome. I mean, we gotta do what we usually do, right? So put it in the middle. Flames, space, explosion, confetti. Alright, so if you like what you see, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you love it, hit the sub button. Let me know in the comments what you think of this unboxing. And then I'll also give you a little bit more opinions about, you know, what I think about this whole Game & Watch series. I think it's pretty awesome actually. But in the next video I'll show you what it is. You just saw me unbox the very cool, very awesome Game & Watch Legend of Zelda edition. I have it right here. It's a clock, has 3 games on it, and it's pretty awesome. But I also got my Mario one right here too, which is cool. It's upside down. I have it paused. But it comes with Mario Brothers, Mario 2, and a little ball game, which is pretty nice. So I have these 2 Game & Watch collections, and I think these things are awesome Christmas gifts to get for friends and family. So if you want to get up on the coolness, you better pick these things up. I hope they make a Metroid one for next year. It'd be so exciting to kind of get all the Nintendo franchises all in the Game & Watch editions. Hopefully we get other ones too. Kid Icarus, oh my gosh, there's so many cool NES games that you can make in Game & Watch editions. And the cool thing about these things though, the battery life on these are pretty good. So you just charge them up and then they last for a long time. And they're designed to be watches, so you can just like keep them on and keep them going. The screens are pretty nice and pretty detailed, so And that's going to be it for this unboxing video. If you like what you see, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the Day Night Gang and you want to catch all these Vlogmas videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments what you think about all of these shenanigans that we're doing for the 12 days of Vlogmas. We want to hear what's up. Other than that, I give you peace.